Hi, this is Dylan from The Lifestyle Trader, and today is 24th November. Now it's 2:36 p.m. in Singapore, so welcome to my D 10 minutes trade idea video. Now, so just a little bit quick sharing of what happened yesterday. We saw that the dollar jumped, especially the dollar yen. The dollar jumped, the yen continues to weaken, making dollar yen one of the most trending pair. So. It was interesting that during my last video yesterday, I mentioned about the retracement channel here in the 15-minute charts right here, all right, and supported 80.6% came out, got supported again at the top of the retracement channel, and therefore looking for the buy opportunity, and then all of a sudden it just went up all the way, and the main rationale behind this that I will go into. I mean, when the market is still like kind of ranging, I will still go into the small time frame to look for a retracement channel like this, is because it has been bridging the resistance zone right here for a long period of time, and for some reason it just doesn't seem that the price is reversing at all. There's exhaustion for sure, but there's no reversal signal, so there's a high chance that the price may continue to strengthen, and there's a lot of sentiment going on saying that the dollar can continue to appreciate, and for some reason the yen has been weakening again and again, and it has already broken a couple of levels, important levels, especially the 110 level as well. So it makes it very possible that it will continue to appreciate, which is why all the way into the 15-minute chart saw this, and that's where we can go for the buy. And if you did, of course, congratulations. That's close to 200 pips of profits. And but if not, what's happening right here is that the price has made retracement again. Now, during condition like that, where the trend is so strong, the jump is so huge, definitely, or rather most of the time, based on my observation, I will always expect another jump, but probably not the same volume as the previous wave, but probably about half to two-thirds of it. So that will actually now this is about, say, 200 pips. If I'm talking about two-thirds of it, that's about 100 and, well, my math is not good, that's about 130 pips. So from here to the top, that's about 160, 120, 30. Or maybe I can change my take profit level a little bigger somewhere here. So that's where I'm expecting to take full profits. All right, so in any case, that will bring us slightly beyond the next key resistance level at 113.44. And what happened here is that because the market has been so trendy, I only expect minor retracement, especially for the yen pair. When it starts to trend, the retracement, there won't be very clear structure of a very clear retracement structure where you see, the price came down from a channel, then it starts to go, but rather it came down a little bit, slightly for a while, then it will start to go up again, and it goes up very fast when it's really starting to appreciate once again. So I go all the way into the 5-minute chart to look for that structure. All right, and hence there was one right here. Okay, and of course I use Fibonacci retracement as well. And that's somewhere at 61.8%. Of course, sometimes we do expect a third minor retracement, and as long as it is still supported at the 88.6% level, then that still makes it valid. So therefore, in this case, it is still valid. And stop loss wise, of course, I will take this as one whole retracement as well, duplicate it, and then I set about 20 to 30 pips below the bottom of this level, in case it goes two times and it goes up. Okay, so because I have to consider that this is a 5-minute chart, if you go all the way back to the 15-minute chart, then it will look something like this. Okay, all the way 15-minute chart, this looks exactly like just one retracement, that's all. Okay, but like I said, I don't go to 15-minute chart because I do believe that when the trend is so strong, the jump will come quite fast and quite sharply after a very minor retracement or consolidation. So that has happened, and I should enter a long for this trade, and yes, came all the way up. now to the somewhere here is about the 88 points, close to 80.6% of the retracement of the Fibonacci retracement level based on the retracement right here. So just wait and hold and see. Okay, now it's come out a little bit to a pretty good price, but jump again. If you still want to enter, not that not possible, but you'll still have to set, well, at least it has reached this level, you can safely set your stop loss here. But to be safe, you may want to add another 20 pips below. Okay, or in any case, the best way or to be safe is put it this way, add 20 pips. Okay, this is the safer way. Okay, so that's for dollar against Japanese yen. Took about 5 minutes plus just to talk about this, and I'll just quickly go through the rest as well. Euro yen, same thing happened. All right, we have retracement channel here as well. Okay, I used whole wave, 70.6%, jump, breaks higher. All right, consolidates a bit, jumps all the way, and then right here again another channel. Okay, once, twice, goes up. So needless to say, the retracement has been completed. Waiting for the price to appreciate further. It's close to the 100%. Again, I shifted my stop loss back to the bottom of the retracement channel, as it has at least reached Fibonacci retracement of 80.6%. So that's how I achieve my stop loss. Waiting for the break higher, and not a good time to trade anymore. If you want to long this pair, it's really not a good time. Would be best wait for it to go all the way up, and unless you have some breakout strategy. But in any case, if you want to go for it, stop loss will still have to make sense, at least at this point. Okay, and but again, like I say, there's always a possibility that it goes one major retracement and another major somewhere here. But since it goes up to this level, expecting 2 level and add about 20-30 pips below, that would be quite safe. Okay, Kiwi dollar broke below the bottom of its major rising channel, signaling that the price is going to fall a lot further. But right now it is still holding back within the major support zone. Oh, okay, I can see that it has started to breach below. Based on the 15-minute chart, there seems to be 2 retracement here. Well, again, if it's going to break, I think it's going to be very strong, very fast. So you can look for retracement in the very, very small time frame. I'm talking about 5-minute charts. Right here, what we have, definitely this is one whole retracement. This is less than slightly less than 2/3. Well, if I take this whole wave, that's somewhere close to the 100% breach above 80.6%. Well, you can look to sell here, but definitely half risk in case it goes all the way beyond. Yeah, this is the whole wave. This might be the whole wave of a retracement as well, followed by the second one. I don't know where it's going to go, but about this area. So then it will come back to the 78.6, 88.6% retracement level, and you can look for another sell. But of course, there's a possibility it can just go down right away because we are already seeing that it is breaching below. It might just have a free fall all of a sudden. Okay, so in case you miss it, you may want to trade now. But of course, because expecting that might be the retracement may go in this manner, you just go in half. Okay, and of course, the stop loss you will have to set at least 20 pips above this level. That's going to be quite a lot. Okay, that's going to be quite a lot, but at least it is safe. Not really a lot, just about 40 pips. And the free fall, I think it's going to be very, very strong because if you look at this, the next support, it's all the way to at least 69.21, about 70-80 pips for you, of profits to be made, all the way to the bottom here. That's 140 pips. So, well, still makes sense. Okay, so took a little bit long to explain a few pairs and running out of time. So that's all for today. Today is still Thursday, still tradable, a good day to trade. So don't miss the opportunity, and I will see you again tomorrow.